Today, we will learn basic sight words. Please read along with me. Let's begin. Isn't. Guess. Mia said, "This isn't just a garden. I guess it's magical." Your turn. Amount. Led. The amount of care you gave led to this beauty. Grandma Rosa smiled. Your turn. Sign. Ride. A wooden sign read, "Take a ride on kindness." Your turn. Cat. Rich. Leo the cat jumped into a rich bed of flowers. Your turn. Nor. Blood. "Nor anger nor hate grows here," said Grandma Rosa. "Only love flows like blood through the roots." Your turn. Forward. Huge. The team moved forward, planting huge sunflowers. Your turn. Region. Period. This region was dry for a long period. Now it blooms. Your turn. Team. Corner. The team cheered in every corner of the garden. Your turn. Garden. Note. Mia left a note. "This garden grows with love." Your turn. Moral lesson. Kindness and teamwork lead to growth, just like a garden. That's all for today. Thank you for reading along with me. I hope you have learned something today. Bye for now.